Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Tacoma manual versus automatic. Pay attention to driving feel, fuel economy, maintenance, and everyday practicality. I'll walk through acceleration, hill control, towing and stop and go traffic experiences. We'll weigh repair costs, ease of learning, and resale implications so you can pick what's right for your lifestyle. Stay with me, and I'll make the trade-offs easy to understand and apply to your decision. Shifting through gears affects how the Tacoma connects with the driver and road. Manual drivers enjoy tactile control and immediate response when accelerating or crawling off a steep grade. Automatic smooth shifts and free you to focus on traffic and navigation, especially in urban commutes. Think about how often you drive off-road, tow, or sit in traffic, and pick the setup that fits your daily routine. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tight and fit neatly in a Tacoma center console or fridge drawer. They keep lunches fresh and prevent spills after off-road trips or workdays. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Fuel economy and maintenance shape ownership costs over time, so they matter. Manuals can be more efficient if shifted correctly, but clutches wear and need replacement at intervals based on use. Automatics today have advanced controls and sometimes better real-world MPG, but transmission jobs can be pricier. Factor in towing habits and off-road abuse, since those raise service frequency and alter long-term value for both types.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.